It's not about what, it's about who, and that who is you.
PPML, it is a journey where you excel into millionaires. Since PPIC to PPML, my revenue growth is almost 4x.
I feel that they understand my business very well than even me. So whenever I am coming with any problem and I come to Dev sir and he give me the solution, and it's like, wow, magic.
What Dev teaches is very hands-on, very practical things which we face every day. I know, okay, I didn't do this, and if I do this, I can make that change. It's like a blueprint. So you get it, you implement it, and then you see the results.
Biggest transformation now for me is understanding how I need to upgrade myself to the next level, because business is a reflection of me.
Implementing people-related strategies of managing leading teams in an effective way and knowing how to do that, and those secrets that unlock the real business value, I think it's priceless.
In 2 days I learned about the team, managing the team, and I was like, oh my god, lot of things to implement for my team. I was like, I'm doing wonder with my team, but I think it is nothing. I have to do lot more things.
PPML is like fun and very inspiring, because I see all of us are growing together, learning together and creating a bond together, because one part is when we are learning with Dev and another part is we are learning from each other.
In this PPML, whoever I am interacting with, all those are millionaires. So that helps you a lot. And there is a saying that you are average of 5 people to whom you hang around with. And obviously we are getting so much knowledge in this community.
Dev is a great mentor, so ensure you are around him. That proximity is going to add a lot of value to you.
I will say, if you feel you are alone in your journey, come, join with us and become a pack of wolves. You cannot stop.